fireworks are for?
Maybe their favorite soccer team won.
We've got a perfect view for this.
Yeah.
We're probably the only people that have a good view of this.
Beckham's are below us on this side.
Maybe they can see it.
Maybe the people in buildings next to us as well.
They're really good.
They are. Swedish fireworks are wonderful.
The German ones.
Not Swedish.
They probably are German.
They aren't Swedish.
Wow, look at that.
They're Swedish.
Alright.
But we're in Germany.
Technically. That might be in Switzerland.
They might have been made in China, though. Wow, look at those. It's like the grand finale.
Those are kind of fun.
Thank you, Kevin.
See if you set my gas on fire, that'll be a problem.
Ready for what? No, we're watching fireworks. Yeah, that was pretty.
Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Is that over? Oh, that's over by the restaurant. I wonder if there's a wedding or something. Isn't that over by that restaurant by the Rhine River?
Yeah, it might be.
I bet that's at the restaurant.
I don't know. It almost seems like it's over further.
I don't think it's down that far though. Any further and it's just the road to Schaffhausen.
Oh, wow.
Germans do it up right.
They do.